If you need help with your air sound, check out my R video. Then make your mouth rounder and wider. Let's practice our sentences with the air sound as the first sound in one of our words. Repeat after me. I love aerobics workouts. The aerial view from the balloon is amazing. We have a ton of aerosol cans. My parents have an Airedale. Follow the red arrow. I see an airplane in the sky. I love my AirPods. I love to go to the airport. I have to get my errands done. Now the air sound will be in the middle of one of the words of our sentence. Just repeat after me. I bought black cherries. The sheriff badge is shiny. The married couple is happy. They cooked the asparagus. The parrot is green. We rode the ferry boat. His parents look happy. The berries were yummy. The fairy is so little. She has a pet ferret. Now the air sound will be the last sound that you hear in one of the words in our sentence. Repeat after me. What a rare car. What a beautiful mare. There is a neon square. We went to the state fair. I had a pair of shoes. Please sit in your chair. The girl has red hair. I'll have a pear. Go comb your hair. We need to fill the bear with stuffing. Great work! Come back and practice with me soon. I can't wait to see you. Bye!